Bing cherries are the most popular sweet cherries in the United States. They have dark red skin, juicy flesh, and a rich, sweet flavor. Benefits: high in antioxidants, rich in vitamin C and potassium, may help reduce inflammation and improve sleep because they contain natural melatonin. Downsides: high natural sugar, so people with diabetes should enjoy them in moderation. Eating too many may cause stomach discomfort. 2. Rainier Cherry. Rainier cherries are yellow with a red blush and are among the sweetest cherry varieties. Benefits: excellent source of vitamin C, supports healthy skin and immune function, lower in acidity than many other cherries. Downsides: bruise easily and spoil quickly, usually more expensive than other cherries. 3. Montmorency Cherry. This tart cherry is commonly used in juices, pies, and supplements. Benefits: may reduce muscle soreness after exercise, supports joint health, can improve sleep quality due to natural melatonin. Downsides: too sour for many people to eat fresh. Packaged juices may contain added sugar. 4. Maraschino Cherry. These bright red cherries are often used as dessert toppings. Benefits: adds color and flavor to desserts. Downsides: very high in added sugar and artificial coloring, offers far fewer nutritional benefits than fresh cherries. 5. Black cherry. Black cherries are deep purple and rich in nutrients. Benefits: loaded with antioxidants, may support heart health, can help reduce inflammation. Downsides: can stain hands and clothing, should be eaten in moderation because of natural sugars. 6. Morello Cherry. Morello cherries are tart and commonly used in jams and baked goods. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, may help fight inflammation, great for cooking and preserving. Downsides: too sour for many people to enjoy raw. Sweetened recipes can become high in sugar. 7. Skeena Cherry. Skeena cherries are dark, sweet, and firm with excellent flavor. Benefits: high in fiber and antioxidants, supports digestion and overall health, naturally sweet with plenty of nutrients. Downsides: seasonal and not always easy to find. Overeating may cause digestive discomfort. 8. Lapins Cherry. Lapins cherries are large, juicy, and one of the sweetest varieties available. Benefits: good source of vitamin C and potassium, supports heart health and hydration, great for fresh snacking. Downsides: contains natural sugars, so portion control is important, can spoil quickly if not refrigerated.